Can I give you examples of what would be manipulative things that you say to your child? Yes, I can. I noticed that there are 3 main categories of manipulation that adults use with children. They fall under punishments, bribes, and shames. Punishments are what we do to inflict change. It could be taking something away. It could be yelling at someone. It could be spanking someone. Punishments are pain given with justification. Oftentimes we call these consequences, but that's not the full story of consequences. What is the consequence of taking a shower? What is the consequence of not taking a shower? What if you are refusing to take a shower and I yell at you or threaten something and then you take the shower? Why would you be taking the shower, and what would be the consequence of the relationship between you and I? Is that the consequence we want to see there? So that's the first general category of tools of manipulation, which is punishments. That's why I do what I do in helping parents remove fear-based punishments. The second category is bribes. These act like extrinsic carrots to get the child to do what you want them to do. It could be promises of a reward. It could be redirection to something. It again harnesses the aspect of fear, the fear of missing out, the fear of, if I don't do this, I don't get this. Again, then the reason of doing the thing is not to do the thing, but to get the thing. It's a tool of manipulation. If you just take a couple more bites, then you'll get to have your dessert. Come on, if you listen to me, then we'll get to go to the park. If you clean up your room, I'll go and get you a new toy from Target. If you do that thing that you're supposed to be doing, then you can have more screen time. And then the third bucket of tools of manipulation are shame. Shame tends to grow from you statements. Why are you so dramatic? Oh my gosh, you're so loud right now. You're always asking me for things. You know better. You did this on purpose. Do we want our you statements to them reflected back as I statements as they grow up? There comes up those consequences again. Is the consequence of using tools of manipulation the consequence that we want to have within the relationship? Are those the tools that we want to discipline our child with so that they use them in their relationships? The relationship with us, the relationship with their friends, the relationship with their future partners, and with their future children. Keep looking for this awareness. It helps you grow.